What you see here is a Castmaster Elite 5 kilogram propane furnace or Foundry. It's made of 16 gauge steel. On the inside we have a 1-inch ceramic fiber blanket, followed by a fire brick at the base for the crucible to sit on. It comes with an 8-inch hose, regulator, and valves. This furnace right here is extremely simple to operate. All you have to do is adjust the wing nut and spin your disc left or right and adjust the airflow. You can hear that right there. Once again, extremely simple. Now that we got it going, I want to go ahead and test this baby out. Got some scrap copper. I'll place it inside the hole there and it drops inside my crucible. In the space of about 15 to 20 minutes, we've already surpassed the temperature of 1950 degrees to melt the copper. I'll show you that right here. There's our scrap copper. I'll fast forward here. About 10 minutes later, you can see there's about one left. And then another 5 minutes or so, 5 or 6 minutes, there's your molten copper. And the last thing I went ahead and did is test my product. Got my crucible out, pouring my molten copper into a casting flask with my homemade green sand. And I went ahead and poured an Utsi style flat axe head. You can check it out. It's going to change colors here as it cools down. And at this point right here, you have a couple of options. You can let it cool down naturally or drop it in a bucket of water. I went ahead and cast the second one out of bronze, and I'll show you that in an upcoming video.